boring day at school. Whew. Come on, Carly.
I know. I'm already full and I hadn't even made a dent. I'm out of salad.
Okay.
I don't want it to work. Look, I'm not like Freddy.
I'm
I
feeling
don't know
tired.
about tech stuff. I don't...
I'm gonna do that. Jakey, wake up! Ow! Grandma! Do your homework, mister! But I don't want to do my homework. Well, too bad. You're smarter than that. I don't want to be smart at all. Shut up! And do your homework. Fine. Nephron consents to cup-like capsule connected to a long, slightly Jake, for the last freaking time, do your homework, okay? Hey, I'm doing it! You better. Tornadoes occur mostly in Texas, Oklahoma, and I'm so bored, and I think I'm gonna eat a donut. Jakey, for the last freaking time, eat your homework. That stuff's bad for you. It clogs up your What is it clog up? It clogs up your My what? Just do your homework. You'll learn about it. Jake, wake up. Do your homework. I'm done with my homework. Did you do your math? Yes, I did. Check it out. All these answers are wrong. What? They're wrong. How are they wrong? Well. Grandma, stop following me! Now! Why are you doing your homework? I'm not doing my homework! See what she does? Do your homework, mister! Bye.